Hello, hello. How are you doing today? I am so excited. This is my first participation with a group that is called a Thousand Less Than a Thousand. It's a group of artists that we have our YouTube channels and we want to get to the first 1,000 subscribers. I am a little bit far away from that, but I hope that with your help, I can get to that 1,000 subscribers. So then to move to another group. That's our goal. And our goal is not to have more subscribers, like only to have more subscribers. It's to be able to reach out to more people. As you know, I like painting and I love the way that the painting makes me feel. Is relax, have my time. I love coming back from the office, from a day of a lot of work, and then come to my studio and relax. I have been painting since I was in high school, I think, and I have done like acrylics, oils, pastels, watercolor. I am not that good at portrait and all that stuff. I think that I am good with watercolors and I am good with acrylic, kind of like impressionist. But when I discovered fluid art, to me was like so relaxing, right? Because and I always say, I don't need to stress out trying to get a tree looking like a tree, or a house that has the correct perspective, or like a body that has the right proportions, or a landscape that also has the right horizon. It's like, here I can use my paints. The only thing that I need to do is to be aware of the colors, how they mix, whether I am using like a thinner paint that could like get together, like mix. And if you use complementary colors, it can become a gray or a brown, and you don't want that. Like, that is the only thing that I really need to pay attention to. The rest is like putting it and creating something nice and something beautiful. So I invite you for you to do the same. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and then hit the bell so then you can you know where I am posting more videos. So today, the challenge was to do kind of like a ring pour with a comb grid. So I have these combs that I got. So I'm going to see what I'm going to use. And I have this little cup that is to split the paint. I normally, when I do the ring pour, I normally use a cup and I pour all my paintings there. But today I'm going to use this one. I have never used this, as you can see, it's brand new. So let's see what you can get, okay? So what type of paint do you need to use for this specific technique? This is a ring pour. So the ring pour needs to try to get the colors that do not mix, but you can see the colors, you can see the rings. And basically what I could do is to use a medium type paint. So if you are going to use pre-mixed paints, one brand that I recommend that has the consistency that you are looking for is Artist Loft. That is already pre-mixed paint. You don't need to do anything else. You can also use the Master's Touch. Master's Touch also has that kind of like medium consistency. This is Master's Touch. This is for, you can find it at Michael's, and this you can find it at Hobby Lobby. Another one that has kind of like a medium consistency is this one that is Mixed Media Girl, that you can also use for different techniques. Or you can prepare your own paints. You can prepare your own paints, mixing your paint with Floetrol. Basically, that's what you are going to do. So today I'm going to do pre-mixed paints. Since I want to try this, so I'm going to use my gloves. And I'm going to use let's see. I really like combining these kind of metallic colors. They are really cool. This is blue cobalt blue. This is a magenta. This is a copper. This is a bright blue. And this is gold. So I have only 4, but I can put kind of like the copper and the gold together. So maybe I can mix a little bit of this one. So let's see what I can do here. So I'm going to put some of this cobalt blue here. Then let's put some of this magenta here. Then I'm going to put some copper. Maybe some gold as well there. I need to get some more gold. And then I may use, I think I'm going to add a little bit of blue here. And I may add a little bit of this pearlescent white everywhere. Let's see. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to pour it, doing like a ring pour. Traveling ring pour. Oh look, this is really cool. Nice. So I'm going to do this. So I'm going to put some more paint here to make it only like move easier. Need to get some more blue here as well. So we are using the last part of this blue, which is fine. I'm going to kind of like with the canvas here. I'm trying to use all the paint because sometimes these cups kind of like keep the in there. Don't forget to with your, so when you move the paint it can like it's like easier and faster. So, and then I'm going to decide, I think I'm going to use this one. I would like to break a little bit. Ooh, nice. Cool, look at really cool effect. This is a really cool effect. Should I do something like that as well? I don't know, maybe. Let's see. It's only paint. It's just paint, remember. So look at really cool palette. Like now. Ooh, I like it. I am trying to keep all the paint first inside of the canvas and then I will let it drip. But first, I want to be sure that I have enough paint in the whole canvas. I like the patterns that were created with the comb. It looks really cool. So at this point, I want to decide. I think I covered most of the canvas already. Only this part, I am missing a little bit of that part. There's nothing wrong to move it like slower. So, okay. So now I need to decide, do I like it more like gold and copper? Do I like it more blue? And also I'm going to pop these bubbles. Okay, so I think I would like to have a little bit more of that gold, orangey, copper color in my composition. So I'm going to stretch it. I'm going to move it a little bit here so you can see. I think I'm going to stretch it to this part. Nice, I like it. So now I'm going to move it a little bit here. I like it. I am retouching my sides. Okay, what else do I want? Okay, now I push it a little bit here. I think I like it like that. I like this, not too much, a little bit of this white area here. I like a lot this part. I like a lot this part, and I think the composition is really nice. Let's see if I want to do something else. No, I think I'm happy with the result. I see some bubbles still. Sometimes those bubbles are a little bit stubborn. And that's it. I like it. I like a lot the different forms or shapes that I could get with the comb. This is a really cool technique. Thank you so much for the challenge. Thank you so much for like creating this idea. I had never used it and I like it. So hopefully you can you enjoy it as well. Hopefully you try it. Remember, here we are not here to become Picasso. That's not my intention. My intention is to really have fun and relax and disconnect after a really busy day at work. And thank you so much to this group for the invitation. And I'm looking forward to collaborate on so many other collaborations with the group. Okay, so see you next time. Bye. So here is the final piece, dried. Look at this beautiful, beautiful effect that I could get, including doing the split cup and adding the concrete. It looks really, really, really cool. Leave me your comments. I think this piece is a success.